Dude, you want to go white wall out or white wall out?
What's going on, guys? So I don't know if this is going to be the intro. I don't really remember what I've filmed on the Rx-7. Just really been trying to get it done and get the rear axle actually under the car so it doesn't take up as much shop space. And I have an idea of everything that I have and what I need to fix and etc, etc. So right now is the ride height that it will be sitting at. Actually, I mean, I've showed you guys this part a million times and I know you guys are probably tired of it, but yeah, this is the ride height of it. These are actually 13s, so I will be getting a 15-inch wheel setup that matches those rears, just a set of skinnies for the front. I don't know how tall of a tire I'll go, maybe some 24s or something, just a little bit taller, so it should bring the front up a little bit. The front is still on stock suspension, but this is basically where it's gonna sit. So I kind of messed up, and yeah, so as you can see, basically everything is all tacked up, right? All the 4-link bars are tacked up, the cross member is welded in. The 4-link bars are tacked, that's it. They're not welded yet, just in case I need to make some adjustments. And this is another thing I need to address. I don't know if I'll actually be keeping this because it looks kind of janky. I'm just doing it for now, possibly temporarily, I'm not sure yet, just so I can put the coils on and actually get the car on its own weight. More than likely what I'll end up doing, like I said, I'm gonna do a back half cage in this, maybe some door bars. The back bars are gonna come down like this on both sides, and so I will probably make a bar that goes from both side down bars across that mounts the coils to them. So this will just be temporarily. Now, this is the part that I messed up on. So where I messed up was I ordered too long of springs, and so actually the ride height where it's set at now, I just use the struts with no springs, or the shocks with no springs, to get an idea of where the ride height's gonna be, because I don't want the strut maxed out, because then that means I have, and shout out to Derek Rendon for this, at Slower Than You, his YouTube channel. He's helping me. He's the one that's got the LS swapped truck, good old Liam Neeson. I actually need travel up on the shock and down. So with the springs that I have now, dude, this thing could focus. The springs that I have now, it doesn't allow me any for the shock to go up, basically. Has all the room to go down but not go up, and I need it to go up. So basically what I did was I put the shock about, not exactly half, a little bit higher than halfway, so that way when it drops, once the weight gets of the car gets on it, it'll drop a little bit. And I just mocked it up with that. So I made all my measurements. I know how high the car needs to be off the ground once I get some 11-inch springs instead of these 15-inch ones. So right now, actually, just so there's no jacks underneath the car, I'm gonna jack it up a little bit to get the coils on, the coilovers on, because right now, like I said, they're way too high. Like right now they hit on this bar. So I need to jack it up a couple inches and let it sit on those, and then maybe I can actually push this thing around. So jack this thing up and then show y'all what it looks like with no jacks under it. Oh yeah, baby. I don't know where my impact went. RIP, where's it at? Oh. Come on. Come on. Help, help, help. Dude, why is my phone still on? Thought I just shut it off. All the YOLOs with the impact. Ow. Don't fall, please. Oh yeah. Now let's go ahead and lower this thing down and take all the jacks off of it and see if something breaks. Oh shit, dude. This thing makes me so excited. This thing hasn't seen the light, the daylight, just barely got it. Almost about to be dark out here in Colorado, but in over a year. God, it looks so good. It looks a little bit ridiculous, not gonna lie, but it's kind of my style, I guess. The tire looks just gigantic compared to this little car. But anyways, like I said, so I pushed it outside. Well, I guess I didn't say it yet because I'm an idiot. Said it in my mind a bunch of times. But this thing actually hasn't seen the daylight in easily over a year. If you guys don't remember, last December, me and Wyatt actually got this shop. And of course the heater's about to kick on. But me and Wyatt got this shop last December, end of December. It is mid-December right now. So we've been here officially a year, and right when we got here, I ended up taking the Rx-7 apart. So I haven't really, it hasn't been able to roll on itself without a dolly in over a year. So I'm pretty excited that I can actually go and push it outside. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna take that big piece of cardboard out that I had kind of protecting the front part of the interior out, and I'm gonna take a hose, my little air chuck, air fitting thing, and go spray out all the dust inside of it, on the outside of it also, inside out, spray the dust off, and then probably push it back inside. So for anybody wondering what's left on the Rx-7, there's still quite a bit of stuff to do on the Rx-7. Like I said before, all the 4-link bars, the actual bars themselves, the coilover mounts are just tacked. They're not actually fully welded, so I will need to fully weld those. Still need to do the tubs, the sheet metal work, the back half of the cage, the fuel cell, etc., etc. And I also need to add the anti-roll bar to it. Basically helps the car not do that weird three-wheel motion when it launches. So still gotta do that. Before I leave tonight, I'm actually going to take these wheels off and go ahead and take them tomorrow and get the different slicks mounted on them. Got a different pair of slicks from Derek, aka Liam Neeson, aka Slower Than You. Put a link to his channel down below. Y'all should go check out what he's been up to. Big things happen in this race season, but the reason why I'm taking these wheels and tires off to put the other slicks on them, got some 28x9s from Derek. They're Hoosers. They hold air a lot nicer than these, I think these are Mickey's. Yeah, I think these are Mickey Thompson's. These are actually 28x10.5s, which is the tire most people use for the small tire class, which is what I want to do with this car. The only reason why I use these for mock-up is because it is the biggest tire I'll be using. The 28x9s happen to be a pretty fresh slick that Derek had that he ended up taking off just because he got a different size and whatnot. They're also a better compound than these 28x10.5s, so theoretically they might work better. We'll see. But gonna go ahead and take these off so that way when I come back tomorrow morning, it's not just sitting on the rims because these leak air so bad. And I'll go ahead and go get those mounted up tomorrow, and the Rx-7 will be good to sit for a while still. Still got a lot of stuff going on, still got a lot of manifolds I gotta build. I will be going back to Iowa for Christmas, so basically taking almost all of next week off. So not really gonna end up doing much progress on that. Really just wanted to get this together for you guys, kind of show you guys what's going on. I know I haven't done jack shit on my car in a very long time. I've been feeling pretty motivated lately to get this thing done and just kind of have some fun. I'm kind of over building everybody else's stuff and not working on mine. So gonna get mine done so that way I can work on it and make videos for you guys and hopefully have to work less for everybody else. So yeah, as always guys, thanks for watching and until next time. Let's go, come on. Let's go. Where we at, Luce? Come on. What in the fuck? There's a damn full moon out tonight, boy. I tell you what. Holy shit.
I knew you were coming in.
I know, full ass out, bro.
You get demonetized for that one, baby.
Hell nah, dude. We getting paid more for that one. Them $100 bills raining down.
Eligible for Pornhub.
Shit. Homemade movies, dog. That's where the money's at, dude.
What are you doing, Liz?
Hey, buddy, old pal. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you wanna know how good of a friend you are? Didn't help me one goddamn bit on my 4-link. It's alright, you helped me bend that cage though, huh?
I was gonna comment on your post, a picture of us welding mine. I was gonna be like, you bet your ass. I was driving with this truck on the trailer, so it's like, I don't want to die.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Mount them up. Let's go.
Come on, you know how to do it. Let's go.
Dude, I don't though.
I gotta move all this
Oh
shit.
wow, I thought you already had this done.
I already do have it done.
Why? What's this?
That band.
Oh.
Thought I was gonna use it.
Holy shit, dude, where'd you get this stuff from? It's thick as hell.
5 inch, bro.
Why is it so thick?
I don't know, eBay.
Oh, decent.
Dude, I'm so pissed off these cocksuckers on these welds, bro. They're welded. It's not a mandrel bend. Dude, it's like straight kind of bent and then welded and then ground flush. Like, what?
They just like smoothed it out and finished it to make it look like it's
Dude, I cut
like
the other
nice
one.
and
I cut the other one not knowing. And then it like started cracking right in the side. I was like, what the fuck? Looked in it and it's a welded joint.
R.I.P. buddy. Damn, eBay done got you.
$15 a bend. I can't really complain, but
Whoops. I love watching you struggle, dude.
fuck you. You do it. Come on.
I don't know how. I legit don't know how. Hey, at least I tried to offer you a burrito to do it. You just said you weren't hungry.
Alright, sucks because these are reverse mounts. We gotta grab them by the face.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good thing you used to work at Discount Tire and you know what you're doing.
Kidding, they're not reverse mounts.
No?
Reverse mounts are like fucking 20 wide, bruh.
Bro, do I get some type of warranty with this thing, bro?
Suck a peener.
What if this thing falls off when I'm going like 200 down the quarter mile?
Okay, guy. Be lucky to hit 50.
Ooh. Dang girl, watch out. You about smacked me with that thing. Fucking idiot.
You hear my line leaking?
Yep. Backyard tire shop. That's what that is.
It's a dry rotted line I need to fix. Is what that is. Fuck these tires.
Hey.
Fuck you.
Lucy's all scared. She doesn't know why her stepdad's being so mean. Luce, where you going? Where you going, Luce?
Dude, you want to go white wall out or white wall out?
Bro, show me how you lube it.
Watch yourself.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. That's why these ones stuck, is because they didn't use enough lube before.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Better than when I mounted my slick. Almost burnt my face off.
Should have got that on video.
I wish. Used like a half a can of cheap ether, and all I did was create a big fire and have a explosion.
How much pressure?
30,000 PSI, don't
Do
care.
not. You're going to stretch them out.
I'll stretch you out.
Whoa. Dude, this video just turns gayer and gayer. Figure it out.
I'll figure you out.
Damn, bro. He's so stupid. At least it looks like you know what you're doing.
I try.
Ass crack out and all.
I dabble in the sport sometimes.
In the sport of race cars?
In the sport of race things.
So you did a double dab on them?
I triple dabbed on them, bud.
Oh, is that what that was? Oh, fuck, dude. Dang,
Check my work
dude.
here. See if we get the double zeros.
You better, or you're fired.
Gosh darn, look at there. Like I know what I'm doing.
White's all done mounting these up. Where you going? About to shot you out. Hurry up. Anyways, he got these all mounted up. All good to go. These Hoosiers seem like a nicer tire than the Mickey Thompsons too, so should be really nice not having them leak air out and whatnot. Like I said, these are a little bit smaller than those ones, but these will be plenty for the power the Rx-7 is going to make.
You're gonna go for a ride in my truck?
Yep. Gonna go for a ride in Wyatt's new Diesel pick 'em up truck. Not new, but
Not new at all.
new rod, new smoky injectors, new.
New single rod and way too big an injector.
Yeah, but anyways, thanks BB.
Yes,
I appreciate it. Go check out his channel. Did a lot of shit on his Duramax. When's the next Civic video?
fuck, never.
You're just gonna walk.
I sold all of them.
Hate to see you go, but love to watch you leave.
Oh, do you?
But anyways, that's all I got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, see ya.